Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel a Gumroad subscription. So first up, or the first method, you can cancel via your email receipt, which is the fastest method. So you don't need to log into your Gumroad account for this method. All you got to do is just go ahead and open up your emailing service. All right. And go ahead and log into the email that is tied to your Gumroad account. Now, what you'll do in here is just go ahead and use the search function and then go ahead and find a Gumroad. Okay. And then you'll be able to see Gumroad charge receipt. Now go ahead and find that specific email, open it up. And then at the very bottom of that email, you can go ahead and click on subscription settings. And this one is the second option, by the way. Subscription settings. The first option is clicking on manage membership. So when you go ahead and click on one option, you'll have the cancel membership button in the next page. And as a bonus right here, you could also do it under your library. Click on it. Now under your library here in the left panel, just click on the membership you wish to cancel and then manage. And after that, just click on cancel membership once more. And that's how you cancel a Gumroad subscription. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.